out, you better watch 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 out. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out, he's gonna find out, he's gonna find out, he's gonna find out, he's gonna find out.
If I were you, I would think about it. Suit yourself. Yes, indeed.
Tickets, please. Tickets.
Ticket, please. Thank you, sir.
Emergency purposes only. In case you want to know, tonight is Christmas Eve. In case you haven't noticed, this train is on a very tight schedule. Now look, Christmas may not be important to some people, but it is very important to the rest of us.
Art, I don't want to alarm you, but there may be a boogeyman or boogeymen in the house!
Your attention, please.
Will the real Slim Sadie please stand up?
Are there any Polar Express passengers in need of refreshment?
That's too damn bad!
What about this lad in the back? Did he get any refreshment?
It's a violation of railroad safety regulations.
That's too damn bad!
It's free real estate.
Yes, indeed.
She forgot her ticket.
Is there something I can do for you?
I'm looking for a girl.
Hey, would you like some Joe? Nice, hot refreshment, perfect for a cold winter's night. What the hell was that?
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Here's the line! That we have lost communication with the engineer. We are standing totally exposed on the front of the locomotive. The train appears to be accelerating uncontrollably, and we are rapidly approaching Glacier Gulch, which just happens to be the steepest downhill grade in the world. I suggest we all hold on
Do you try on all your knives like this?
I might.
Wake up.
Wake up! Wake up! Santa's been here! Santa's been here!
This is Merry Christmas, Billy. From Mr. C.
I think I know what it is! I wanted one of these my whole life!
Wait, stop. Look.
But I...
You know the